Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of BNCRC. Another big unboxing. A few weeks back, I had the Drag Slash C10 pickup, and I brought it home and I saved it in the box for like a week. Never touched it, so I was going to unbox it for you guys. And one day I lost my patience, I unboxed it, took it out in the street, and I beat the fuck out of it. You saw the video of that. Some of it anyways. And in the comments, someone said, hey, you know, they got a 5.0 Mustang. And I was pretty snotty about it. I said, big fucking deal. I've seen enough Mustangs. It's all you see at the real life no prep shows. Not really a Mustang guy. Well, I was at a place 3 hours away today. They had the red Mustang. I said, if you got the black Mustang, I'll buy it. Hoping that they didn't have it. But the sons of bitches had one in the back for me. So, Traxxas Drag Slash 5.0 Mustang. Spectators better watch the fuck out, because everybody knows about Mustangs. Yeah, let's see what we get. Probably shouldn't be doing this after such a long day at work, but I can't help myself. I know what'll happen if I wait. Where the fuck's the radio? Must be underneath. Oh, they're trying to rig me up so I drop it. The Mustang looks kind of cool. My problem with Mustangs has nothing to do with the way they look. I always like a pony car. And just Mustangs that kind of beat to death. I guess we can figure out how to LS swap it and make it actually fast. Oh, there's the wheelie bar. Does not come attached. No batteries with this one. The TQI transmitter with the red button is a launch control, which I guess it could be useful. Now that I'm actually in a group that does some no prep racing, I'll run this car a little more seriously probably, even though all I'm really doing is low C 22S stock class, which is way fun because everyone's kind of running the same thing. What did I do with my X-Acto knife? I actually had the right tool for the job, and now I set it down somewhere. I don't know where the fuck it is. Ah, there it is. Let's see if I can cut my fucking finger off. Whoa. We're off to a good start. Ah, you bastard. Tough zip ties. They're not made in China. They were Taiwan zip ties if I ever seen them. Huh. I think that thing broke. Got to get you guys caught up. We got quite a project. Me and my teammate Landon each have a 22S stock that we're racing. Doing a little bit of stuff with the bodies on them. I'm building another 22S that was the roller chassis only. I'm building an open car out of that. That's supposed to be 4S capable, and one of these days I'll get around to working on that. Like stop buying other shit. I'm getting sidetracked and spending too much time at work. You can't get nothing done. Still trying to get the timing set up, put together for my track. And we also bought a starting light, so we're spending quite a bit of time out on the road practicing our launches, which is a shitload of fun. That's a pretty good looking Mustang. Glad I held off for the black one. The only one they had was red in Mustang. The two things I don't really like. What in the fuck? It's film on the wing. Sticky film. Should have left that on there. Stickers make it faster, right? What the fuck is going on there? Oh. Nothing really. Clips are pretty easy to access. It's a notchback Mustang, not a hatchback. I guess those are more desirable. They could have went a little further and put the square headlights on, but this is alright. This will do. The crowd won't care when it's running into their ankles. Oh, looks very familiar. The tires on the Slash are a lot bigger than what comes on those low C cars. I might pull a swap because they are allowing us to change tires in the stock class. A little curiosity about the wheelbase on this. Drag Slash versus the Associated DR10. Yeah, I got one of those too. Wheelbase is the same. Yeah, the body could work. The front end's a little too wide. And the rear end's actually a little narrow, it looks like. The rear end's okay. Front end's a little wide. This body won't really work on this car. I'll have to check one of the Lossies too. I might borrow these tires for my Lossie truck for the meet tomorrow night. I don't know. Linear brushless VXL 3S, and I can tell you from my experience with the truck, this thing rips on 3S. Hell of a lot of fun wheeling all the way up and down the road. I never tried to actually make it run any kind of times because I was just fucking around bashing it in the road. So maybe I'll have to get the starting light out and we'll try it out and see how it stacks up against the 22S and the DR10. Pretty cool in the looks department. I'm getting my dirty fucking fingerprints all over my brand new black Mustang. Son of a bitch. Well, there it is anyway. Traxxas Drag Slash. Sorry, I didn't give a lot of technical info. I don't know how much technical info there is to do on a two-wheel drive Slash. Hopefully the drag racing scene is picking up in your place. It sure is in my area. That's it. Bye-bye.